Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I am going to talk about how to post images in your Discord chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Discord application, and after that you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now, after this, you just simply have to select the chat where you would like to send or post a picture. For example, I'm just simply selecting this general chat right here, and after that you just simply have to select this plus button at the bottom left corner. After tapping into there, you just simply have to select any of the picture from your gallery which you want to send and tap to send button at the bottom right. And after doing this very easy step, your image will successfully be posted into the chat. This way you can very easily post an image into Discord chat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.